Holy crap, it's coming out too slow.
Okay, move it around. What we're looking for is, try over here. Over all those pipes.
What are we looking for?
Watch. Get it closer to that one. See how you can see that it's blowing it?
Yep.
That's how we know there would be a leak there. Come around to the other side. Here. Get it down closer. Oh. Down closer.
No motion.
Let's say we're in good shape on this side. Get over here. Up here by these.